за эти 1,5 месяца с вами очень сдружились. И вы подарили нам очень много незабываемых моментов. Поэтому мы решили сказать вам несколько слов о том, как мы вам благодарны.
Так, спасибо вам большое. Во-первых, за теплую атмосферу.
За хорошее настроение, за оптимизм, за доверие и понимание.
Бесценный опыт общения, который вы нам дали.
За бесконечный смех и веселье.
За то большое количество незабываемых моментов.
За смелость.
Хорошо. И теперь мы попробуем все это обобщить in English, just so you know, just so you understand. Actually, when we first got to school at first day, we didn't know that you would be so nice and you would support us in doing weird stuff and you will trust us. And the fact that you do that and you are so open and real, that just warms our hearts. And we love you guys so much. And actually, we can't thank you guys enough for making our summers so good, because without you, we would be quite miserable. Thank you so much.
But Samir, so I really hate saying goodbye, so it's not goodbye speech. I really want to see you in the future, and I'm sure everyone does. But yes, again, we want to say thank you, because it feels like you're a second family for us now. We get along so well. First time when I came to class, I was like, oh my god, I cannot breathe. I'm so scared. And probably I feel sick. But then I saw you. You're so open-minded. You're so friendly. You're just very easygoing, and we really do. We enjoy spending time with you every single second. Even though our dance class was quite not talking about it. The main thing, we found common language. And I'm not talking about Russian or English, but something more. And it seems like we have like family crew, I don't know how to say, family squad. We're gonna miss our common jokes and the way how we spend time together. Those jokes. No. Thank you for being smiley, because as I said, I miss to see how people smile. And you do it, you're so real. And just thank you guys for every single day, for every single second. Thank you so much, guys. We love you.